The MAC is an old historic club, was founded 125 years ago, and our general manager, Lorenzo Vicini, always calls it's a little city, because we have everything. I mean, we have a huge banquet and catering facility. On weekends it's weddings and social events. We do a lot of fundraising events, and then it's corporate functions, like we have huge luncheons. So you see clearly our main business is banquet and catering. That's where we bring the revenue dollars in. I decided to go with Alto-Shaam because they're the only ones who could supply me the entire system. The oven unit, the chill unit, and the staging cards or the hot boxes. This year we had a wedding on New Year's Eve, and we had a very large member event too on New Year's Eve. And we used to work 15 to 20 people on a night like that in the kitchen. This year we did it with 9 people, and they said the best ever. And we have them now almost 14 months up and running, and they run from pretty much 7 a.m. till 9 p.m. The 2 ovens you see in the back there are paid for already in 1 year.